Hi, I wanted to show you guys how to use the spell check tool in Google Slides. So I made a slide with some spelling errors. So what you do is you cannot be in slideshow mode to edit. So see, like here I am in slideshow mode right now. I can't do anything. So I have to get out of slideshow mode and be in edit mode or prepare mode. And then you go up to the very top. See where it says tools way up there? You click on tools and you click on spelling and then you drag it over and you go check spelling. So look, first is not spelled correctly. And right there it is spelled correctly. So we're going to accept that. It's supper and it's supposed to be super. So we're going to expect that. And this says fund. It's supposed to be fun. So we're going to accept. And then we're going to go, oops. We're going to switch it. And then this is supposed to be movie. And see how movie is spelled correctly here. So then you accept. I don't know why I didn't find school was wrong, but school is spelled wrong too. So I'm going to fix that right now. And up here, I thought I was on this page, but I'm going to go back to tools because there's something spelt wrong up here on my title page. Remember, this is called our title page. So I'm going to hit spell check. Oh, it says there's no suggestions. There is. This is wrong. So I got to put a space in right there and add my whole thing lost. Now I fixed it. So that's how you do it. I just thought I'd let you know really quick, and I will see you next month.